Then I didn't upgrade the steering servo at all. However, I did put a wire tie around the servo saver right there. I'll zoom it in a bit so you can see a bit better. Come on, folks, look. Okay, not gonna be able to see that too well, but it's just right around the servo saver, and it's supposed to help with the stock servo saver. I learned that on the Ultimate RC forums. Again, I'll put a link in the description for that. It's a very, they have a ECX page. If you haven't seen any of the Ultimate or any of Jang's videos, he's the guy who makes the Ultimate RC forums. Check them out. They're pretty nice and informative. He has lots of reviews also. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. I did a couple minor suspension retunings, and yeah, I really like this truck. This is a great beginner truck, and I like the upgrades also. I'm able to get not super fast considering what we have in our RC now, especially with the Traxxas X01 that just came out. And I know saying that lots of people hate me for saying that I like the car, but you know what? Have to say 100 miles an hour out of the box is a pretty good accomplishment. So anyways, not the fastest, but it's still a lot of fun to drive. And you know what? On my little street outside my house, I wouldn't be able to go much faster than this, to be honest. So, yeah, that's it. The only problem I've had is spur gear stripping out, but that's with the punch level up. So if you do get a brushless setup, turn the punch level down, turn the brake level down, and make sure you know how to set your slipper clutch and gear mesh correctly. Otherwise, you're pretty much screwed. That's all. I'll hopefully upload some videos of this thing in action. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye.